like nothing left. Today I'm going to show you what to do with unwanted alcohol. Unwanted alcohol. Unwanted alcohol. I know, some of you that might have given you a little bit of a heart attack. My lovely friend gave me Jack tea. Obviously he just forgot that I quit drinking. So what I'm going to do is not let it go to waste, not drink it. I'm going to make some Christmas cake with it. That's one of my tiny little presents to all my friends. First of all, I need to have an airtight jar. I need to empty this. With my cleaned out jar, I get all my ingredients. Now, when I was in the supermarket, I wasn't really sure what I was meant to get, but I knew it was along these lines. So, first of all, I bought Brandy Soaked mixed fruit. Ooh. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Pour that in carefully. I picked off the shell, it's mixed peel. I just figured it looks like something that would be in a Christmas cake. Yeah, go in there, it looks pretty. Remember to recycle. Next one to go in is my dried mixed fruit. There's like raisins everywhere. Have my bottle of Jack Daniels here. My jar, look at that. What are the chances of that? Very bang on that is. Fluke things all the time. Legend like that.
20 minutes later.
Woo. There's like nothing left above it. I'm just gonna let that one sit in there. That's look at that. I'm so good at this. My god, that is heavy. Oh, look at that. I wonder, right now, it should be airtight. I should have checked this first. Okay, obviously it's not airtight. It did just leak a little bit, so that makes the shake a bit difficult. Oh, this stinks. Just want to shake this one. Best thing to do is keep it in a dark place now, so I'm gonna put it in the cupboard where I hide Christmas sweets. Don't tell my kids.